I'm going to show you guys how I got these amazing curls using flexi rods. This is honestly my favorite hairstyle. So with this style, I started on freshly washed hair. I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner and oil, and then I braided my hair into 4 sections. And I just let my hair dry overnight just so I can have stretched out hair. Next, I fully detangled my hair. My hair was detangled before I put it in those braids, but I just wanted to really make sure it was detangled. So when I put it on the rollers, it could be as smooth as possible. As you can see, I was really feeling this look. It looked like a really nice blowout. Started this style using Lotta Body's Curl and Style Milk. Used a decent amount of product, and I made sure I focused on the ends. A lot of times these products want you to use a dime size amount. You need to use as much as you need. I used Lotta Body's Wrap Me Foam, and I just made sure I put that throughout the entire section, and I also made sure I focused that on my ends as well. And when putting the flexi rod in my hair, I made sure I twist my wrist in a circular motion. You don't really want to roll the roller on your hair because you're not going for a Shirley Temple look. That's not the look we're going for. And to secure the flexi rod in place, you just want to make sure you bend it at both ends. Now you want to repeat this process first by adding the styling milk and making sure you focus on the ends. And then I detangled it a little bit more with my Denman brush, and then I added more of the Wrap Me Foam, and then when I put the flexi rod in, just making sure I twisted my wrist in a circular motion, and then after that is done, you just want to secure it by folding it at both ends. For a second, I honestly could not figure out which way I was supposed to wrap this, but I eventually got it. Putting on these flexi rods in my hair took me maybe about 15 minutes just because I used such medium to large sections. But once that was done, I just wrapped my hair up and went to sleep, and now it's the next morning. When I took the flexi rod out, I just made sure I twist the flexi rod in the opposite direction just to keep the curl in place. I just added a little grapeseed oil to my hands and put that all over my hair to help with the shine and to also cut down on the frizz while I'm taking my curls apart. When separating the curls, you want to be as gentle as possible, and you kind of want to let the curls separate on their own. You don't really want to force it because that'll cause frizz. At this point, I felt like I needed just a little bit more oil. When I'm done separating my curls, I usually leave it at that. I'm not a big fan of picking my roots. I always feel that my hair lasts longer when I don't. I do like to give my hair a nice little shake at the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos to come, and I'll see you next time.